Now question number 12. What is the question number 12? Observe there. Prove that 1x x square 1 x square 1 is equal to 1 minus x cube whole square. You have to prove. Now that is nothing but observe there. Usually what do you know? 1 minus x minus y whole square is equal whole cube is x minus a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. No, that's why here I am going for the c1 gives rise to c1 plus c2 plus c3. Then what you are going to get, observe there, 1 plus x square 1 plus x square 1 plus x square. Now remaining as it is x1 x square x1. Now taking common, one plus x square from c1. Now what you are going to get, this one is 1 plus x square. If you are taken common, what is the remaining is 1 x1 x square x1. Now again go for the same operation, that is r1 gives rise to r1 minus r2 gives rise to r2 minus r3. Then what you are going to get, this one is 1 plus x square into 1 minus 1 x minus 1 x square minus x 1 minus 1 minus x square x minus 1 x square 1. Now here what is there, observe there, going to get, observe there. Now 1 plus x square into this is 0 0 1 and this is x minus 1 and this one if I am taken common x, I am going to get x minus 1. If I am taken, this is 1 minus x square. No, that's why here what we can write, observe there, 1 minus x means 1 plus x into 1 minus x and this one is x minus 1 as it is. Third row as it is x square 1. Now here x minus 1 no problem, but here is there, observe there, 1 minus x is there, x minus 1 is there, but actually what is the formula here, 1 minus x cube is there. No, that's why you should get common, that is I am writing, observe there, that is equal to 1 plus x square into data of 0 minus of 1 minus x into 1 minus x and next one is 0 1 plus x into what is there, observe there, 1 minus x and this is minus of 1 minus x and this is as it is 1 x square 1 x square 1 is there, that is no problem. Next one is here what you can take common, you can take common 1 minus x from r1, that is taking common, from r1 and also from r2. Then what you are going to get, 1 plus x square into 1 minus x into 1 minus x into data of 0 0 1 minus 1 minus x. This is 1 plus x minus 1 and this is x square and 1. Now expand with respect to this one, you are going to get 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square into this one, if you are expanding with the column 1, 0 minus 0 plus 1 into data of what you are going to get, minus 1 minus x 1 plus x minus 1. Now this one is you are going to get 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square into what you are going to get, minus in minus plus 1 minus x and minus in minus plus x, no, x plus x square. Again this from these two what you are going to get, 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. Here also whole square is there, here also whole square is there. That's why we can write this one is 1 minus x into 1 plus x square whole square. Now here 1 minus a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now that's why 1 minus x cube whole square, hence proved. Now question number 13, somewhat rare problem, and that is prove that rate of 1 plus a square minus b square 2ab minus 2b. Next 2ab 1 minus a square plus b square 2a. Next 2b minus 2a, and this is 1 minus a square minus b square is equal to what you have to prove? 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube we have to prove. Okay, we will prove that one. Now, but here minus b square is there, here minus 2b is there. That's why I am going for operation C1 gives rise to C1 minus BC3. Observe there. C1 minus BC3. Minus BC3 minus b into minus 2 plus 2b square. Now minus b square plus 2b square means it becomes plus b square or not. Further, C2 gives rise to C2 plus AC3. AC3, why? Because here 2ab is there, here 2b is there. That's why. Here now what is the first column? As it is, we are going to get 1 plus a square minus b square 2ab and 2b minus into minus plus 2b square minus b into 2a minus 2ab. Next minus b into 1 minus b plus a square b plus b cube and 2ab minus 2ab. Next 1 minus a square plus b square plus 2a square minus 2a plus a minus a cube minus a b square, and this is as it is minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Now what you are going to get? Det of 1 plus a square plus b square 0, and this is 2b minus b plus b. That's why here what you are going to get? B plus a square b plus b cube. Further is 2ab minus 2ab 0 and minus a square plus 2a square. What you are going to get? Plus a square. 1 plus a square plus b square, and here minus 2a plus a minus a cube minus a b square, and this is minus 2b and 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Now this one observe there, 1 plus a square plus b square 0. I am taken common b here. If I am taken common b, I am going to get 1 plus a square plus b square, and this is 0. 1 plus a square plus b square. If I am taken minus a common here, 1 plus a square plus b square, and this is as it is minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Now what you can take common? You can take in common. What is that you are taking common? Taking common, that is 1 plus a square plus b square from C1 and also from C2. From C1 and C2 you are taken common. Then what you are going to get? Observe there, 1 plus a square plus b square into 1 plus a square plus b square into det of, what is the remaining? Observe there here, 1 0 b 0 1 minus a, and this is minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Now here observe there, you can expand with any row or any column, that you are going to get 1 plus a square plus b square into, if I am expanding with row 1, what I am going to get, 1 into that of 1 2a minus a 1 minus a square minus b square minus 0 plus into minus minus 2b into, what is the determinant you are going to get, 0 1 b minus a. Now this is 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into data of, what you are going to get, this one is 1 minus a square minus b square minus into minus plus 2a square. Okay, this is 1 minus 2b into, here what is there, 0 minus b, that is minus and minus plus b, 2a square. Now minus a square, that is 1 plus a square plus b square into 1 plus a square plus b square, already here whole square is there. Now this becomes 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube, hence proved. We are entering into the question number 14. What is the question number 14? Observe there. Prove that a square plus 1 ab ac ab ca b square plus 1, and this is cb and bc c square plus 1 is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, now this is the simplest one. 1 plus a square is there, we need the b square and a square. Now observe there what I am doing. First term, simple way, I am multiplying c1 comma c2 comma c3 with a comma b comma c respectively. Then what you are going to get, observe there, if you are multiplied that one, then you are going to get data of a into a square plus 1 a square b c a square, and this is a b square b into b square plus 1 c b square, and this is a c square b c square c into c square plus 1. Further taking, that means you are multiplied now. If you are multiplied, what happens, changes the value. That's why you have to divide with 1 by a b c also. Now here what I am doing, observe there, here a is there, here a is there, here a is there, b is there, b is there, b, c is there. That's why taking common a comma b comma c from r1 comma r2 comma r3 respectively. Then what happens, observe there, 1 by abc already is there. Here abc into data, what you are going to get, a square plus 1 a square b square plus 1 b square c square plus 1. Now this ABC gets cancelled. Now I am going for the operation. R1 gives rise to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then what is the first column becomes, observe there, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Now second column as it is, b square plus 1 b square c square plus 1. Now here taking common. Now what you are taking common? Taking common 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square from c1. Then what you are going to get, observe there, here 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square into data of 1 1 1 b square plus 1 b square and c square plus 1. Again here b square c square is there. That's why I am going for the operation. R2 gives rise to R2 minus R1 R3 gives rise to R3 minus R1. Then what we are going to get, observe that here 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square into data of, what is there? First row nothing is changes, 1 b square 1 b square c square. Now here what you are going to get? 1 minus 1 0 and 1 plus b square minus b square 1 and c square minus c square 0 and 0 and this is b square minus b square 0 and this is 1. Again become the triangular matrix. What you are going to get? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square into 1 into 1 into 1. That is nothing but 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Hence proved.